Hey guys, so this is my part 2 to the chest cupping video that I did. So after we've done doing all of that and bringing our attention into our chest and our neck, I want to work into the jaw. Very important. We always bring attention to the frontalis muscle and the temporalis muscle, but I want to bring it into the jaw, the masseter, the mandible, all these muscles that attach into our that make our jaw. It's amazing how everything kind of attaches here, especially the platysma, the sternocleidomastoid, the trapezius muscle. Everything kind of attaches into it. So I want to bring attention to the jaw. So we're going to apply a little bit of Ashley's oil and just let's stimulate the blood flow a little bit and just gently upward motion into our jaw. Maybe you want to do a little bit of lymph drainage. You bring it down into the lymph nodes and just bring attention to this area right here by disarming the body. Bring it up into the temporalis like that, up across our sinus. Sinus is here. And to our jaw, right in there, and there, and pressure points. Okay. All right. And I'm going to use the Nugget. I love the Nugget. The Nugget just gives me a precise point, especially when I'm working with points in my sinuses. I mean, I could do it with my pinky too, but I really enjoy working with my Nugget. I'm going to work with the narrow portion of the Nugget. You all know that you have a wider point, and then you have a more narrower point. So I'm going to start right here. Hit a little groove that you feel when you're smiling right here. You'll feel the groove. It drops right in the point of the Nugget, and you just kind of want to bring attention to that point here. And don't forget your breath, deep breaths. Work that area, and then you work on the other side. Bring some attention and breathe out. Beautiful. And then from here, let's go back to the other side. Circular motion and go up. And I feel crunchies. Who else feels crunchies? I'm just move my hand away so you can see what I'm doing. And you're going to work up circular motions right in there. Deep breaths and out. We're right up into this groove here and hold and push up. And out. Breathe in and out. Okay, we're going to go on the other side. And circular motion up. Up, 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 up. Who feels crunchies? I do. And right into that point. The point of the Nugget's going to slide right into that point. And push up. Take that breath and out. Good. Beautiful. And again, circular motion up. Up, 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 up. And hold. Deep breaths and out. And let's take it a little bit further across into the next point right here. You'll drop right in. Perfect. And we're going to go on the other side. And this is just to help your sinuses. Have these tiny little grooves around on your face. And you're going to follow that groove right in there. And you're going to push up and out. And you're going to go across. You're going to find that point right in there and hold. Beautiful. And circular motion out. So we're going to take it from here. We're going to go across the eyebrow. Right in here. And you're going to feel a little groove right in there and just hold it. Circular motion. Deep breath. And down. Let's go the other side. And I'm not using a lot of pressure, you guys. I'm just using my intention more than anything, really. Bring intention into that area. Some TLC. And down. Awesome. And again, now I flip the nugget around in the other area. And just kind of massage with the nugget across. This. And the other side. And you'll feel crunchies. All right, now that we got this going on here, the blood is flowing. You're gonna go right into the jaw. I use the wider end of the nugget. Feel for tenderness. Right in there. And you can open your jaw. And close it. Open. Close it. And open. And close it. And go to the other side. And open. And close it. And open. And close it. And open. And close it. So you see we're getting some reaction in there, and I'm not even pressing too hard. And get your breath flowing and down. Circular and down. Circular motions and down. I also want to do a little bit of the cranial. Intertwine your fingers just like this into the cranial. And if you can slide down, that's great. Down. My hair's not gonna look this neat when we're done. Get that cranial in there. Get the cranial work. And there. Deep breath. Down and flow down. Then we grab our face blaster and very gently work that jaw. Open and close. Open and close. Open and close. And work right into the attachment with the SCM. Around your eyes. Got a couple crunchies going on in there. And I'm actually lifting now the face blaster. Eyes are very tender around this area, very fragile skin, very delicate. So you don't want to go too hard. You don't want to hurt yourself. You just want that reaction, that blood flow. And the other side. on your jaw. Open and close. Open, close, open, close. And if you really want to work in there, you can. Not too much pressure, just kind of bring more attention into that jaw attachment. And close. And underneath your eye, very gentle. Upward motion, lift and down, lift and down, lift and down. And this is great for rejuvenating your skin and your face, because remember, when we're creating this reaction here, you're actually stimulating, signaling natural inflammation to come in and clean up anything that is stagnated in there. And you're signaling collagen production, which collagen is the building block, the protein that helps with firming the skin and giving you that healthy glow. So who wouldn't want that? I do. And doing this depuffs your face. So if you wake up first thing in the morning and you're puffy, that means you have a lot of stagnation in there. So you want to get stuff moving. So definitely face blast first thing in the morning to get the depuffingness and just getting the fluids to circulate. And then I just give myself a nice light massage. And then if you want to work on the frontalis, you can too. It feels good because we hold a lot of tension. This muscles right here, your number 11s, hold a lot of tension there. So you definitely want to get in there with the face blaster. Up and down, up and down, up and down, just like that. Get blood flow. Get blood flow going. Get that collagen in there. Let's produce some collagen. Firms up our skin. Decrease the wrinkles around our forehead. Just like that. And that feels amazing. Get some fresh blood in there. And I like to end the treatment with a nice light massage. Or if you want to tap, you can. A little bit of deportment. Just stimulate. Feels wonderful. Loosen up the tension in your jaw, temporalis, if you get temporal headaches, and frontalis, if you get the frontal headaches, into your cranium. Anything to feel good, right, guys? All right. So that concludes our jaw work. If you have any questions or if you have any other video ideas that I can make for you guys, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you and have a great day. God bless.